Namaste, my name is Samhita. I am an Odissi dancer from Bangalore, disciple of Nritya Vilasini, Guru Srimati Mansi Pandya Raghunandan, President of Abhivyakti Cultural Trust. I was very fortunate and blessed to have been born in a family of artists, and the support and encouragement that my parents showed in introducing me to Indian classical dance is what has brought me here today. When I was around 15 or 16 years of age, I happened to see an Odissi program in Bangalore, and I was so inspired by the beauty, the grace, the subtle movements, and the divinity of this dance form. And I was sure that I wanted to learn that dance form. What made my dream come into a reality was that I found a guru, a teacher, a beautiful teacher in Bangalore, and I was so excited about getting to know about Mansi ma'am, and the very same day I enrolled into Abhivyakti Cultural Trust, and there has been no looking back. It's been a beautiful journey, and I've been learning Odissi from ma'am since over 9 years now. Myself and Sonia, we are going to be presenting a very beautiful program on the 31st of May on FB Live. What makes this program very special is that this program is named as Odissi Choreography Recital Edition 1, and what's very unique about this program is that we are going to be presenting some very beautiful, original, research-based compositions that are choreographed by Mansi ma'am, that were learnt by us when we had begun our journey in Odissi, and over a period of time, these compositions have gone through a lot of polishing, and we've revived these items, and we are going to be presenting them on the coming Sunday. I'm very thankful to ma'am for giving me this wonderful opportunity, and I'm very excited to be presenting these compositions that have been originally choreographed by her. They've gone through a lot of research and immense amount of work, and I request you all to show us a lot of love, support and encouragement by being a part of this wonderful program that we will be presenting on Sunday at 5 p.m. in the evening. I'll see you around there. Namaste.
Namaste. We just finished our rehearsals for this Sunday's program. I'm very happy and excited to present these beautiful choreographies of my Guru Srimati Manasi Pandya Raghunandan. I and Srimati Samhita Vinay are going to present these beautiful choreographies on this coming Sunday. We will be going live at 5 p.m. Please do watch us and encourage us. Thank you.
Namaste everyone.
Namaste.
I'm very excited to have this choreography festival going on live now. This is the first edition, and I am delighted and proud to have my beautiful senior dancers, disciples of mine, Shrimati Samhita Vinay with me, and Kumari Sonia Krishnamurthy here. Today's guest of honor, we have two beautiful personalities. We have Shrimati YK Sandhya Sharma ma'am, and we also have with us Dr. Guru Shri Sharad Pandya with us. Sandhya ma'am, namaste and welcome.
Namaste, namaste.
Sandhya ma'am is a very renowned and senior journalist from Karnataka. She has experience in writing reports, reviews, and a lot of essays, poems, as well as detailed sahitya. She is also writing critical reviews about dance festivals, drama, as well as other literature festivals. And it is just wonderful for me to have ma'am with us live today on this choreography festival first edition. And she's also there here with us to bless the beautiful and upcoming, very hardworking dancers, Samhita and Sonia. Ma'am, what would you like to address to our viewers today? Your words.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ತುಂಬಾ ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ನಾನು ಪ್ರಪ್ರಥಮ ಬಾರಿಗೆ ಹೀಗೆ ಲೈವ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮನ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ವೇದಿಕೆ ಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡುವಂತ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಇತ್ತು. ಇದು ಒಂದು ಅನುಭವ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಅನುಭವಗಳು ಇರಬೇಕು. ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ಅಭಿವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಅಂತ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯದೇ ಪ್ರಥಮ ಅನುಭವ ಆಗಿರೋದು ನನಗಂತೂ ತುಂಬಾ ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಯಾಕೆಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅಭಿವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತು ಅಂತಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಮಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಉನ್ನತವಾದಂತಹ ನೃತ್ಯ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಾಗಿದೆ. ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ 10ನೇ ವರ್ಷದ ದಶಕದ ಸಂಭ್ರಮ. 10 ವರ್ಷ. ಇದ್ರ ಹಿಂದೆ ಇಬ್ರು ಅಪೂರ್ವವಾದ ಜೋಡಿ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಭರತನಾಟ್ಯ ಗುರು ಮತ್ತು ನೃತ್ಯ ಕಲಾವಿದ ಎಸ್ ರಘುನಂದನ್ ಮತ್ತು ಮಾನಸಿ ರಘುನಂದನ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಒಂದೇ ಹೇಳಿ ಮಾಡಿಸಿದಂತ ಜೋಡಿ. ಇಬ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಮಾನಸಿಯವರು ಒಡಿಸಿ ಕೂಡ ನೃತ್ಯ ಕಲಾವಿದೆಯಾಗಿ ಗುರುವಾಗಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಂಥ ಒಂದು ವಂಡರ್ಫುಲ್ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗೆ ನಾನು ಪ್ರಪ್ರಥಮ ಬಾರಿಗೆ ಅವರ ನೃತ್ಯ ನೋಡಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಅವಕಾಶ ಒದಗಿರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗಾಗ್ಲೇ ನಾನು ಸೋನಿಯಾ ಮತ್ತು ಸಂಹಿತಾ ಅವರ ತುಂಬಾ ಸುಂದರವಾದಂತಹ ಮನೋಹರವಾದ ನೃತ್ಯವನ್ನ ವೇದಿಕೆಗಳ ಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಈ ಫೇಸ್ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗ್ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದು ನಂಗೆ ಒಂದು ಹೊಸ ಒಂದು ರೋಮಾಂಚಕರ ಅನುಭವ. ಇಂಥ ಒಂದು ಅವಕಾಶ ಒದಗಿಸಿದ ಅಭಿವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಸಂತೋಷದಿಂದ ನನ್ನ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನ ಅರ್ಪಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಇದನ್ನ ನೋಡಿ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇಂಥ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಜೋಡಿ ಗುರುಗಳ ಜೋಡಿ ಶಿಷ್ಯರ ಒಂದು ಅಪೂರ್ವ ಪ್ರತಿಭೆಯನ್ನ ನೀವು ರಸದೌತಣ ಪಡಿತೀರಾ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ನಿರೀಕ್ಷಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಸ್ವಾಗತ.
ತುಂಬಾ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯುವರ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ encouragement. Thank you so much. I request our next guest, Dr. Guru Shri Sharad Pandya. He is also with us today, and even he will be watching along with Sandhya ma'am live. The performance is just like all of you. Before I hand over to Dr. Guru Sharad Pandya also to say a few words, I would like to tell the audience that this is the first live telecast that we are going through this other technical platform. So if there are any glitches, please pardon us because it's a learning curve. Also, I would like to mention that you all, whoever is the viewer, all of you can share your thoughts and comments in the comment section wherever you are watching live right now. All the comments will be shared with us, and if there is any wonderful message that you want to share to the two wonderful guests, to me and to the two beautiful dancers, you are most welcome to write and to comment your thoughts. I welcome Dr. Guru Sharad Pandya also to share his thoughts before we begin the dance performances.
Namaskar, Sandhya ma'am, and
Namaskara.
beautiful, lovely dancers to whom I know since last more than 8 years now. So Sonia and Samita, all the very best. And it's a very good initiative taken by Abhivyakti Cultural Center, Raghunandan and Mansi. Especially today, their Mansi students are presenting Odissi, beautiful choreographies that we are going to watch within a few seconds now. So I welcome you all to join and witness these beautiful choreographies, and I wish and give my blessings to Sonia and Samhita for the best performance. So once again, all the very best to everyone. Now we'll go to witness this performance now. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
It is my matter of pride and privilege to welcome all the viewers. I can see beautiful around 18 viewers already. That's a good start. The first item that Sonia is going to present is very close to my heart. It is today she is going to present excerpts from Mangala Charan. This Mangala Charan is choreographed in such a way that there is salutation to the Lord Ganesha and followed by a Sabha Pranam. In the choreographies today, I have tried to research and keep the grammar of Odissi intact. I have not tried to go outside the boundaries of Odissi and bring to us original way of looking at the things that already exist. So I'm very excited that two beautiful dancers who I feel are the asset of my institution, Abhivyakti, are performing, and we have two beautiful guests with us who are encouraging and who will also review the festival today. So first, I call upon Sonia to showcase her solo. We are beginning with the Mangala Charan based on Lord Ganesha, followed by a Sabha Pranam. That will be her first presentation. Followed by that will be Samhita. She will be presenting her next. Second item will be her solo. Moving on to Sonia. Yes, Sonia.
am going to present Ganesh Vandana. In Odissi style, the Mangalacharan marks the entrance of the dancer onto the stage. The dancer invokes the blessings of Lord Jagannath for an auspicious beginning to the performance. Then the dancers offer salutation to the Mother Earth, the teacher, the accompanist, and to the audience. It is followed by a prayer to the Almighty. Mangalacharan essentially invokes the blessings of the revered teacher and the divinity appropriate to the dancer. This particular item is on Lord Ganesha, Vakratunda Mahakaya Shloka, choreographed by my guru, Srimati Manasi Pandya Raghunandan. Sit back and enjoy. Thank you.
Thank you, Sonia. Beautiful rendering. It's a good way to start the recital today. That was Sonia Krishnamurthy presenting Mangalacharan, excerpts from Mangalacharan. I request Samhita to come forward. Yes, Samhita. Samhita is going to be presenting a beautiful piece, Abhayankar Shivaraksha Stotram. Over to you, Samhita.
Thank you, ma'am. I'm indeed very blessed, and I consider this as my privilege to be performing and beginning my recital with a beautiful choreography that has been done by Guru Srimati Mansi Pandya Raghunandan. Abhayankar Shivaraksha Stotra is believed to have been revealed by Lord Vishnu himself to sage Yajnavalkya in his dream. This is a Nritya piece that embraces both pure dance and Abhinaya. Abhayankar Shivaraksha Stotra is in praise of Lord Shiva, the king of dance. In this piece, we will witness the devotee dancing and chanting to the sacred mantra Om Namah Shivaya. The uniqueness of this piece and the beauty of this choreography lies in the beautiful poses that aptly describes the Lord from the head to toe. The devotee is mesmerized with him and invokes him to bless him and protect him. The shloka is also believed that if is chanted, removes the fear in one and makes one a very strong and grateful person. And this shloka is set to Raga Chandra counts. It is set to Ektali and is beautifully choreographed by Guru Srimati Mansi Pandya Raghunandan. Please enjoy Abhayankar Shivaraksha Stotra.
Yes, Samita.
शिवरक्षा स्तोत्र मंत्रस्य याज्ञवल्क्य ऋषिः श्री सदाशिवो देवता अनुष्ठुप् श्री सदाशिव प्रीत्यर्थं शिवरक्षा स्तोत्र जपे विनियोगः। चरितं देवदेवस्य महादेवस्य पावनम् अपारं परमोधारं महादेवस्य पावनम्। ॐ नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय। गौरी विनायकोपेतं वैष्णवसुरेत्रकं शिवं ध्यात्वादशभुजं शिवरक्षां पठे नरः। ॐ नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय। करुणो पुराराति मुखं पातु जगत्पतिः दिव्यां रागेश्वरः पातु कन्दरां क्षितिकन्दरा ॐ नमः शिवाय ॐ नमः शिवाय ॐ नमः शिवाय ॐ नमः शिवाय श्रीकण्ठः पातु मे कण्ठः स्कन्धौ विश्वधुरन्धरः भुजौ भूभारसंहर्ता करौ पातु विनाशकः निर्भयं शस्त्रः पातु जठरं विजापतिः नाभिं मृत्युञ्जयः पातु कटिं व्याघ्रजिनाम्बरः ॐ नमः शिवाय ॐ नमः शिवाय ॐ नमः शिवाय ॐ नमः कवचं पार्वतीपते भक्त्या विवर्धकण्ठे तस्य वश्यं जगत्त्रयम् इमां नारायणं स्वप्ने शिवरक्षां यथा दिशः प्रादुर्युत्थाय योगीन्द्रो याज्ञवल्क्यस्य तथा लिखत् इति श्रीयाज्ञवल्क्यस्य प्रोक्तम् अभयङ्करं शिवरक्षास्तोत्रं सम्पूर्णम्।
Beautiful, Samita. Thank you so much. We have wonderful dignitaries with us. We have Srimati Sandhya Sharma ma'am with us today watching live. She is not just the guest today, but she's also going to review the program that is happening live. From my end, it is a beautiful opportunity for my students because here they get to see the other side of performing arts. What is happening is when they are on the stage, they just have to manage going on the stage, performing and coming back. Here they have to manage the technical difficulties and challenges also, like setting their video, making sure that their mic is mute when they are not performing, making sure their mic is unmute when they are performing, checking the lights, checking the distance, and checking all the other technical parameters about the internet connection, video angle, light angle, and so many things. I think it is a good opportunity for the students to come to this experiment of performing arts in a live way. So I'm glad that Sandhya ma'am is watching. Before we take a short break, I also have Dr. Guru Sharad Pandya who will say a few words, and in the next break we will have Sandhya ma'am also sharing a few words. Over to Dr. Guru Sharad Pandya, and then we go for a quick short break. Viewers, you will be again seeing us live. After this message from Dr. Guru Sharad Pandya, you will have a break of about 6 to 8 minutes. And then we'll be back live again. Before the next live, again watch Dr. Guru Sharad Pandya on his words.
नमस्कार एवरीवन। बहुत ही सुंदर दो रचना हमने देखी, बहुत सुंदर तरीके से प्रस्तुति की गई उसकी। जब हम अच्छी सी नृत्य की कृतियां देखते हैं तो बहुत ही आनंद और सुकून मिलता है, लेकिन बिहाइंड द सीन क्या क्या तकलीफें होती है, क्या क्या लिमिटेशंस होते हैं कोरियोग्राफर्स के, वो भी एक सोचने की बात होती है। पहले तो उनको थॉट प्रोसेस से गुजरना पड़ता है कि किस चीज पर हम कोरियोग्राफी करें, किसी देवी देवताओं पर के जाए, कौन सी थीम के ऊपर करें। उसके बाद वो लिरिक्स कहाँ से मिलेगा, लिरिक्स का मीनिंग समझना, उसका डीप मीनिंग, शब्दार्थ, वाक्यार्थ, गुणार्थ, पदार्थ, वो सब समझना पड़ेगा। फिर उसको म्यूजिक के साथ सेट कैसे करेंगे। उस समय कोरियोग्राफी करते समय उनको एक लिमिटेशंस होता है कि ये कौन सी डांसर पर बहुत ही सुंदर बैठेगा, ये कोरियोग्राफी और निखर कर आएगी, क्योंकि उसकी भी मेहनत है और कोरियोग्राफर की तो सबसे ज्यादा रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है, सबसे ज्यादा मेहनत उनकी रहती है। कौन से ताल में जाएंगे तो वो शूट करेगा। तो बहुत सारी ऐसी चीजें होती है जो कोरियोग्राफी करते समय बहुत थॉट प्रोसेस है, और स्पेशली मेंटली थॉट प्रोसेस, मेंटल थकान बहुत रहती है उसके अंदर। उसके बाद इसको एग्जीक्यूट किया जाता है, उसके साथ जोड़ा जाता है, सबको इकट्ठा करना, म्यूजिशियंस को लाना, उसके साथ अपना थॉट प्रोसेस शेयर करना। तो उस हिसाब से वो राग में मूड, उसके हिसाब से कौन सा वो रहेगा अच्छा राग, तो उसका चयन करना, ताल भी देखना उसके साथ में। तो ये सारी कोरियोग्राफर्स की बहुत बड़ी लिमिटेशंस होती है। तो ये पॉइंट पर मैं मानसी को भी धन्यवाद देना चाहूँगा, क्योंकि बहुत ही लिमिटेशंस के अंदर, बहुत ही डिफिकल्टी के अंदर ये सारी चीज़ें करनी पड़ती है, बहुत प्रोसेस में गुजरना पड़ता है। और अभी तक जो भी हमने कृतियाँ देखी, इट्स वेरी वंडरफुल। और जो पैरामीटर होता है क्लासिकल डांस का, उसके अंदर रहकर करना वो ज़्यादा डिफिकल्ट होता है। तो मुझे लगता है अब तक तो बहुत ही फ्रूटफुल रहा, बहुत ही सराहनीय कोरियोग्राफी रही, और दोनों परफॉर्मर्स ने भी बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्म किया। तो मैं अभी राइट नाउ अभी हम ये तीनों को तो मेरा तहे दिल से धन्यवाद देता हूँ, और बहुत ही आशा करता हूँ ऐसी अच्छी चीजें हमें भविष्य में ये टीम की तरफ से देखने मिले। ऑफकोर्स वो कैप्टन ऑफ द शिप तो हमेशा कोरियोग्राफर गुरु तो रहते ही हैं, तो उनकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ज्यादा होती है, और उसके बाद रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होती है परफॉर्मेंस की, वो उनको उनकी थॉट प्रोसेस को एग्जैक्टली कैसे करके दिखाए। सो थैंक यू वेरी मच, सी यू सून आफ्टर दिस ब्रेक।
Thank you so much. In these times of Corona, where there is so much uncertainty and so much of concern around, I think it is very important that we come together for something which is very, very creative. With creativity, there will be hope, and with hope, there will be happiness. Artists are really blessed, and we should be definitely happy that God has given us opportunity to do something like this by coming together. The first section is over here at this point, and now we have 3 more beautiful items performed by the 2 of them. It is going to be interesting because out of the 3 performances, 2 will be divided among the 2 of them, which are located geographically remote location. So from here, this is Mansi. I am taking a break with all of you. All of us are taking a short break. See you in 10 minutes from now. Please do not come without, do not come late. Please do come on time. Take 10 minutes off. See you very soon. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. Namaskara, we are back. This is going to be part 2, and in this part 2, welcome you all after the break. We have Sonia Krishnamurthy and Samita Kashyap performing, and we have Sonia giving us a brief about the next presentation, and after that we have 2 more presentations followed by a live talk. Over to you, Sonia.
Thank you, ma'am. So the next item which we are going to present is on Sandhya Devi. Sandhya Devi is a pure Odissi piece. This is based on the theme of praying and praising the goddess who sets the evening divine and peace. The song offers the dancer's wish to the goddess to come and bless them with knowledge, patience, and good health. The goddess who is as bright and young, who is beautiful and powerful, kind and divine, is the one who should be invocated for getting success in all good things one aspires to do. Sandhya Devi Stotram performed in Odissi style, choreographed by my guru Srimati Manasi Pandya Raghunandan. Thank you.
गुह्याति गुह्यं गोत्रीत्वं सन्धे सरस्वती मुदे गुह्याति गुह्यं गोत्रीत्वं सन्धे सरस्वती मुदे अजरे अमरे मातः त्राहि मां भवसागरात् अपराधसहस्राणि स्वसत्कर्मशतानि च मत्तो जातानि सन्धे त्वं क्षमस्व परमेश्वरि संध्यादात्री च भोक्त्री च देवी सर्वमिदं जगत् सरस्वती प्रकृतिधात्री सन्धे देवी नमोस्तुते 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 संध्यास्तोत्रं पठे नित्यं
It was a wonderful rendering by Samhita and Sonia in Sandhya Devi Stotram. We are performing today in the evening time, and what else can be beautiful rather than praying to the Sandhya Devi. We have next presentation, Kala Bhairava Stotram by Sonia. Without taking much time, we move on to the next presentation. We have one solo by Sonia, followed by one final piece on Hanuman Chalisa by the duet. As you saw, the duet, two geographically remote locations. We have Sonia at a different place, Samita at a different place, and they performed on one particular song, and we could merge it thanks to the technology of today that we could experiment. Dancers have so much in their hand, and I'm very happy to have these wonderful people with me. Over to you, Sonia. Quickly about your next presentation, and then we move on to the final one.
Thank you, ma'am. The next presentation is Kala Bhairava Stuti. Kala Bhairava is an aspect of Lord Shiva. Kala Bhairava Stuti is a piece which draws from the Kala Bhairava Astaka, a Nritya piece which is inspired in excerpts for the praising and description of Lord Kala Bhairava. Out of 64 Bhairavas, the main 8 Bhairavas, known as Ashtanga Bhairavas, could be depicted towards the zenith of this icon. The main central song is based on the excerpts from the poetry crafted by Adi Shankaracharya. This choreography and conceptualized by Guru Srimati Manasi Pandya Raghunandan and is set to Raga Bhageshri Tala Rupaka. Thank you.
By the time the music is on, I request the viewers, the students, the performers of today will be very happy to read your comments. Don't forget to add your comment. Since this is not an auditorium, even if you are clapping, they will not be able to hear the claps, they cannot see you, but at least they can read your comments. So please don't forget to comment and encourage them. Over to you, Sonia. Beautifully performed by Sonia, and requesting Samhita to speak about the final piece, after which we take a break and come back for the chief guest's remark, for the critics' remark, and for the word of thanks. Before we do that, over to Samhita for the final piece of today's live choreographic edition of Odissi Part 1. Samhita, over to you.
Thank you, ma'am. This item, the final item of today's recital of it's an item that's very special to my heart as well, and a beautiful choreography that is set to Raga Malika. Hanuman Chalisa is in Raga Avdi, that is composed by Tulsi Goswami. What's very special about this item is about how the choreography is not just a mere representation of hand gestures with respect to the meaning of the song, but representation of beautiful sequences and short stories that are very well crafted. We can see instances where Hanuman, who is the epitome of bhakti, the one who has Rama in his heart, goes well beyond and swims across the ocean to go meet Sita, and many other sequences that we can see. Hanuman Chalisa will be done by myself and Sonia and is in Ragamalika and Ekatali. Thank you.
हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर जय कबीर की मुलोक उजागर राम दूत पवन सुत वीर विक्रम बजरंगी सुमति निवार सुमति के संगी कंचन वरण विराज सुवेशा कानन कुंडल कुंचित नंदन तेज प्रताप विद्यावान गुणे अति चातुर राम काज करिबे को प्रभु चरित्र सुनिबेको रसिया राम सीता लखन मन दिखावा कट रूप धरि रंग रूप धरि असुर संहारे राम काज जय संजीवन लखन जियाए श्री रघुवीर हरषि उर रघुपति कीन्ही बहुत बड़ाई तुम मम प्रिय भरतहि जम तुमरो दास गावे कनकादिक ब्रह्मादि मुनीसा नारद नारद धनिजा कुबेर दिग कवि गोविंद कहि सके कहाते तुम उपकार राम मिलाए राज मंत्र विभीषण माना लंकेश्वर योजन परवारो प्रभु तुम्हारा तीनों लोग हागमे लावे भूत विचारनि भज नहीं आवे महावीर रोग हरई सब पीरा निरंतर हनुमत वीरा संकट ते हनुमान छुड़ावे मन क्रमवचन ध्यान जो लावे जब पर राम तपस्वी राजा जिनके काज
मनोरथ जो कोई लाए नियमित जीवन बल पावे सारो युगा परिताप तुम्हारा हे परिचित जगत उजियारा साधु संत के तुम रखवारे असुर निकंदन राम दुलारे अष्ट सिद्धि के दास
Wonderful Samita and wonderful Sonia. I am delighted and extremely proud that both of you are performing live today, and I'm getting the opportunity to manage the screen also today, and it's wonderful to moderate. Usually this is a little better than running backstage and then coming back to the sitting and conducting the Natu Angaman and then again running and giving you some information and input. This is a different way. Wonderful. I am extremely delighted that we have Sandhya ma'am with us today, and we also have Dr. Guru Sharad Pandya with us today. Before we go into the final part where we are breaking up and coming back again after the short break, you have seen, all our viewers have seen Samita and Sonia dancing. Now you will also witness them speaking. They have to share some beautiful things with all of you. And we have definitely, we cannot conclude the show without the critical remarks by Sandhya ma'am also and critical remarks by Dr. Guru Sharad Pandya also. So before we go on the break, I request you all keep commenting, keep sharing your comments on the Facebook page wherever you're watching us live, because definitely it will encourage both the performers of today. And we also have my other senior student, Srimati Soumya Lohit with us today. Soumya will be speaking after the break. She also has something beautiful to share with all of us. Please come back exactly after 10 minutes from now. And don't forget to miss the final part, the concluding part of today's program, which is just going to be about 10 minutes more. So come back after 10 minutes for 10 minutes. Thank you, everybody. Thank you so much. Before we go on to the break, I would like to take opportunity. I'm sorry, I'm coming back because I can see the time still there in my hand. I would request Soumya to kindly come up. Soumya. Yes, Soumya. So here is Srimati Soumya Lohit. She is also a very good dancer and she is also a teacher. She is a new mother and she has come back to classical dance. She will be doing her comeback debut on the day of Ratha Yatra on 23rd June, and that is also going to be along with Naina, one of my junior students who is working very hard to come up to the senior level. So Soumya, do you have anything to speak to everyone?
Namaste. I'm very happy that Just now we watched Samita and Sonia performing, and it's a great platform as well as it's something really beautiful, and it's based on the research paper which ma'am Srimati Manasi Pandya Raghunandan ma'am has done this. So it's really interesting, and I hope you all are enjoying. And please do encourage, my next program is coming on 23rd of June at 7. So please do watch and please encourage. Thank you.
Thank you, Soumya. We also have Dr. Guru Sharad Pandya here. He will be, he would like to share his comments right away. And then when we come back after the break, we will be listening to Samita, Sonia, Soumya, and the critical review by ma'am also. Before that, over to Dr. Guru Sharad Pandya about his today's feedback. Your concluding remarks of today.
Happy to see you, Soumya, again here after 2-3 years. Sonia and Samita, I've seen you dancing since last so many years, and today's choreography, definitely you have tried to put your best efforts in that. So that is wonderful. ये बहुत अच्छी बात है कि आप अपने टीचर को समझे, उनकी कोरियोग्राफी को समझे, उनके थॉट प्रोसेस को समझे. ये जो कोरियोग्राफी होती है, कोरियोग्राफर की मानस पुत्री होती है. आप उसको कैसे हैंडल करते हैं, ये आपका अनुभव, आपकी प्रैक्टिस और आपकी टीचर की शिक्षा और दीक्षा होती है. तो मुझे लगता है बहुत हद तक आपने बहुत अच्छे से खूबसूरती से निभाया है, और आगे ही हम ऐसे ही देखते रहेंगे, ऐसे ही मेहनत करते रहो, आगे बढ़ते रहो. और अच्छी बात है कि आज के ज़माने में, हम लोग के ज़माने में ये तो कुछ था नहीं. खैर अभी मैं इतना तो पुराना नहीं हो गया हूँ, लेकिन ये टेक्नोलॉजी बहुत आगे एडवांस है. तो आप लोग यंगर जनरेशन को एक अच्छी ब्लेसिंग्स है टेक्नोलॉजी की, और इसका अच्छा इस्तेमाल हो रहा है. तो खुशी हो रही है कि जैसे मानसी बता रही थी कि जियोग्राफिकल डिस्टेंस कितना भी दूर हो, लेकिन कितने जैसे सामने बैठे हैं. और वैसे ही मुझे एक मौका मिला. I heard about so much about Sandhya ma'am, about his writing, his write-up, his criticism, about her knowledge about dance and music and drama. So I'm happy to see her personally here on this platform. So thanks to Mansi and Abhivakti Cultural Center. So happy to see you, Sandhya ma'am, here, and I'm definitely waiting to hear some critical notes from you. So with that, I rest my speech here. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Dr. Guru Sharad Pandya. And we come back now just after a very short break. Please do not take 10 minutes. We are coming back 5 minutes from now. Thank you, everybody. Please come back and see the final part where you can see the critical remarks, Samita and Sonia also speaking, and our finale part. Thank you so much. Come back in 5 minutes from now, everyone. Thank you.
Srimati Manasi Pandya Raghunandan is the founder of Abhivakti
Soumya, give a
Culture.
minute. Soumya, give a minute. Yes, welcome viewers. Soumya, continue from where you were.
Srimati Manasi Pandya Raghunandan is the founder of Abhivakti Cultural Trust and is the festival director and has conceptualized Abhivakti Festival Series 2019-20 in association with Alliance Franchise. She is very passionate about Indian classical dance forms and other art forms, and strongly believes that in the field research and reference are the keys to knowledge and success. She values Indian culture and ethos and tries to create platforms that could highlight and the depth of Indian and traditions. She has the aim to bring out new and diverse way of looking at Indian performing arts in dynamic, challenging, and unexplored ways. She is a passionate writer and holds a double post-graduation. She holds MA in English, MFA in diploma in Bharatanatyam, and UGC NET in Performing Arts. She speaks Gujarati, Hindi, English, Oriya, Bengali, Kannada, and French languages. She is a research scholar at Nalanda Nritya Kala Mahavidyalaya. She is awarded with several awards for her work. She trains students from India and abroad at Bangalore and continues to be a performing primarily. She has traveled extensively for a showcase of dance performance and workshops. She has recently performed at Spain, France, Mauritius, Sri Lanka, Singapore, Nepal, Serbia, Yugoslavia, Russia, and 3 times at Pakistan, and recently at Brazil, Ethiopia, and Ecuador. She has to her credit many awards. Nritya Gaura Award from Brazil, Nritya Vilasini from Chhattisgarh, National Award for Occasional Exchange Chris Foundation, Bangalore, International Women's Award, Government of Dancing Queen Award, Indian Express, Gujarat, United Religious Award, URI, Bangalore, CCRT, National Scholarship in Classical Dance from the Ministry of Culture, Government of India. She has been featured in several print and electronic media, including at Discovery Channel's Fantastic Festival of the World, Washington, DC, ETV Gujarat, Doordarshan, PTV Lahore, MCB Mauritius, and National. Also recently, she is award co-director of creative purposes position at Nati Yoga Company, Brazil. She has also been invited to Bill Lingle paper presentation and international conference at Subotica, Serbia, Eastern Europe. She has written 2 books and has also choreographed dance sequence in religion languages such as Vachanas from Kannada, poems from Tamil literature, language, Gujarati language, as well as Oriya, Telugu, and Bengali. She has conceptualized Abhivakti Festival series, which and values by the medium of arts and at preservation of traditional performing arts and crafts. The festival aimed at providing young talents and aspirants a platform to come closer to the knowledge provided by the experts, seniors in industry. Research work details. Manasi ma'am has looked into the languages, literature, and word meaning in detail of Awadhi, Sanskrit, Oriya, and Kannada for this composition. She has Naika Veda has prescribed in Bharatamuni's Natya Shastra. She has looked into the details of Abhinaya Chandrika. She has read Charles Fabry's The History of Orissa. She has referred to the practical usage of Ritta Hasta, and Akashachari's and Uru Veda, Kati Veda, Pasha Veda, as well as Pada Veda are prescribed in the Natya Shastra. She has revisited Andhra Hasta, Devata Hasta, and Samyukta Hasta. She has also looked into the Paraparika Nritya Hasta, that is Samyukta Hasta and Hasta, used exclusively in Odissi dance. She has followed closely the repertoire and changes in Odissi, especially dance format. She has looked into the experimental ways of handling the combination of rasas with angular positions and transitions with Shirobeda and Drishti Vedas to bring more intricate choreographies when done. Orissa on the eastern sea coast is the home of highly sensualized and lyrical classical dance form known as Odissi. From the Lord of Jagannath, this form of Indian classical dance has traveled all around the globe. Odissi has chauta, trivandri, are its unique features and harmony. The circular, semicircular body movements dance form further graceful and appearing. Odissi one of the 8 classical dance forms, emphasizes sculptural poses, subtle torso movements, and flowing gestures for the arms. The tempo in Odissi dance becomes slow, it is not indolent. The grammar and secular kept at focus as well as the musical composition, dance choreography, and most important choice of ragas, and the tempo of the composition has been crafted to suit to the audience from different culture and geographic backgrounds. Thank you.
Thank you, Soumya. That was very nice of you to join us. Thank you very much for starting the third part, today's final part. I request our viewers to continue sharing your feedback and comments. Thank you so much, Soumya. Don't miss to watch our live on the 23rd of June. Before that, I request Srimati Sandhya Sharma ma'am to give away her remarks. I also request Samita and Sonia also to be present around in the frame. Over to you, Sandhya ma'am. She is our guest for today as well as she is going to the program. Your comments.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಅಭಿವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಕಲ್ಚರಲ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ನ ಅನೇಕ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ. ಶ್ರೀ ರಘುನಂದನ್ ಅವರ ಭರತನಾಟ್ಯ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳನ್ನ, ಅವರು ಆಯೋಜಿಸುವಂತ ಭರತನಾಟ್ಯ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳನ್ನ, ಹಾಗೆ ಮಾನಸಿಯವರು ಒಡಿಸಿ ನೃತ್ಯ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳನ್ನ ಮತ್ತು ರಂಗಪ್ರವೇಶಗಳನ್ನ ಅನೇಕ ಒಂದು ಅವಕಾಶವನ್ನ ನನಗೆ ನೋಡೋಕೆ ಒದಗಿಸ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ಒಂದು ಹೊಸ ತರ ಒಂದು ಅನುಭವ ನನಗೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ಇಬ್ರು ನೃತ್ಯ ಕಲಾವಿದೆಯರು ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ತುಂಬಾ ಅಪೂರ್ವವಾದಂತಹ ಪ್ರತಿಭಾವಂತ ಕಲಾವಿದೆಯರು. ಇಂಥ ಒಂದು ನೃತ್ಯ ಕಲಾವಿದರ ನರ್ತನಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾನಸಿಯವರು ಒಂದು ಚಿನ್ನದ ಮೆರುಗಿನ ತರಬೇತಿ ಮತ್ತು ನೃತ್ಯ ಸಂಯೋಜನೆಯನ್ನ ಅಳವಡಿಸಿ ರಸಿಕರ ಮನತಣಿಯುವಂತೆ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನ ನೃತ್ಯಾರ್ಪಣೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಂಥ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಒದಗಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೀನಿ. ಇವತ್ತು ಸಂಹಿತಾ ಮತ್ತು ಸೋನಿಯಾ ಇಬ್ರು ಕೂಡ 5 ಕೃತಿಗಳನ್ನ ನರ್ತನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಎಲ್ಲ ವೈವಿಧ್ಯಪೂರ್ಣವಾದ್ದು. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಗಮನಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನೃತ್ಯ ಸಂಯೋಜನೆ ಮಾಡಿರುವಂತ ಮಾನಸಿ ರಘುನಂದನ್ ಅವರ ಅಪಾರ ಪರಿಶ್ರಮ ಎದ್ದು ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ. ನಾನು ಅನೇಕ ನೃತ್ಯಗಳನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ತಿರ್ತೀನಿ. ಹೊಸ ಹೊಸ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಯೋಗಕ್ಕೆ ಅವರು ಸದಾ ತುಡಿತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಧ್ಯಯನಶೀಲರು. ಈಗಾಗ್ಲೇ ಹಿಂದೆ ಸೌಮ್ಯ ಅವ್ರು ತಿಳಿಸ್ದಾಗೆ ಅವ್ರು ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೃತಿಗಳನ್ನ ಅಧ್ಯಯನ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದು ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರೀಯ ಚೌಕಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ, ಒಡಿಸ್ಸಿಯ ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರೀಯ ಚೌಕಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸುಮನೋಹರವಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು, ಆಕರ್ಷಕವಾಗೂ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು, ಮತ್ತು ಬರೀ ಒಂದು ಕೃತಿಯ ಪದಾರ್ಥಗಳಿಗೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರತಿ ಪದಗಳಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ನೃತ್ಯ ಚಲನೆ ಆಗ್ಲಿ ಆಂಗಿಕವಾಗಿ ಮಾಡೋದಲ್ಲ, ಅದರದ ಒಂದು ಸಂಚಾರಿಯನ್ನ ಬಳಸ್ಕೊಂಡು, ಕಥಾನಕಗಳನ್ನ ಬಳಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಎಷ್ಟು ಪರಿಣಾಮಕಾರಿಯಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ 5 ಕೃತಿಯಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಅದನ್ನ ಪರಿಶೀಲಿಸಿದಾದ್ರೆ, ಮೊದಲನೇದು ಗಣೇಶನ್ ಕುರಿತು ಮಂಗಳಾಚರಣವನ್ನ ಸೋನಿಯಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಲು. ಅದು ಶುದ್ಧ ನೃತ್ಯದು. ಆ ಶುದ್ಧ ನೃತ್ಯದೊಳಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಭರತನಾಟ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಪುಷ್ಪಾಂಜಲಿ ಇದ್ದ ಹಾಗೆ ಇದು ದೇವ ಜಗನ್ನಾಥನನ್ನ ಸ್ಮರಿಸ್ತಾ ಶುಭಾರಂಭ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಭೂಮಿಯನ್ನ, ಗುರುಗಳನ್ನ ಮತ್ತು ರಸಿಕರನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ವಂದಿಸಿ ಅವಳು ಒಂದು ಕೃತಜ್ಞತಾ ಪೂರ್ವಕವಾಗಿ ನಮನವನ್ನ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸೋದು. ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಒಂದು ಅಭಿನಯ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ನೃತ್ಯದಲ್ಲೇ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆ ಭಾವಗಳು ಸಮ್ಮಿಳಿತವಾಗಿದ್ವು. ತುಂಬಾ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಸೋನಿಯಾ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಲು. ಅವಳ ಪ್ರತಿ ಒಂದು ಜತಿಗಳಲ್ಲಾಗ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತು ಬಾಗು ಬಳಕಗಳಾಗ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕೈ ಚಲನೆ ಆಗ್ಲಿ ಆಂಗಿಕವಾಗ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಪರಿಪೂರ್ಣವಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಲು. ಅನೇಕ ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ ಅವರು ಮಾನಸಿಯವರ ತರಬೇತಿ ಪಡಿತಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ತುಂಬಾ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಬುದ್ಧತೆ ನನಗೆ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತು. ಅನಂತರ ಅಭಯಂಕರ ಶಿವರಕ್ಷಾ ಸ್ತೋತ್ರವನ್ನ ಸಂಹಿತಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಲು. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಷ್ಣು ತನ್ನ ಕನಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾಜ್ಞವಲ್ಕರನ್ನ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕೃತಿಯನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ದ ಹಾಗೆ ಸ್ತುತಿಯನ್ನ. ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಶುದ್ಧ ನೃತ್ಯನೂ ಇತ್ತು, ಅಭಿನಯನೂ ಇತ್ತು. ನಟರಾಜನನ್ನ ಕುರಿತು ಭಕ್ತ ತನ್ನ ಭಕ್ತಿ ತಾದಾತ್ಮ್ಯವನ್ನ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಾಧ್ಯವೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ವಿಧದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವನಿಗೆ ನಿವೇದಿಸ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ. ಅಷ್ಟು ನಮಗೆ ನೃತ್ಯದ ಮಜಲುಗಳು ಅನಾವರಣ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಯ್ತು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾನಸಿಯವರು ಅಳವಡಿಸಿರುವಂತ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ನೃತ್ಯ ಸಂಯೋಜನೆಯ ಒಂದು ರೇಖೆಗಳು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಸ್ಪಷ್ಟವಾಗಿ ಗೋಚರವಾಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತು. ಅದನ್ನ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರು ಅದನ್ನ ರಂಗದ ಮೇಲೆ ಸಂಹಿತಾ ತಂದಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಅವಳು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ನೃತ್ಯಗಾರ್ತಿ, ಅಭಿನಯದಲ್ಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಕುಶಲಿ, ಮತ್ತೆ ನೃತ್ಯಗಳ ಒಂದು ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೂ ಒಂದು ಅಭಿವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಯಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಪರಿಪೂರ್ಣತೆಯನ್ನ, ಒಂದು ಸಾಮರ್ಥ್ಯವನ್ನ ಮೆರೆದಿದ್ದಾಳೆ ಅಂತ ನನ್ಗನ್ನಿಸ್ತು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೃತ್ಯ ಸಂಯೋಜನೆ ಹರಿತವಾದ್ರಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅನೇಕ ಮೆರುಗಿನ ಅವಳ ಭಂಗಿಗಳನ್ನ ನಂಗೆ ನೋಡಕ್ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆಯ್ತು. ಒಂದು ಅನೇಕ ಮನಸೆಳೆವ ಚಲನೆಗಳಿದ್ವು. ಕೊರಳು, ಸೊಂಟ ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಬಾಗಿ ಬಳಕಿಸ್ತಾ ನಾಜೂಕಾಗಿ, ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಅನೇಕ ಚಾರಿಗಳನ್ನ ಅಭಿವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಮಾಡಿತ್ತು. ಮುಂದಿನ ನೃತ್ಯ ಸಂಧ್ಯಾದೇವಿಯ ಸ್ತೋತ್ರ. ಸಂಹಿತಾ ಇದನ್ನ ರಂಗದ ಮೇಲೆ ಅಭಿವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಲು, ಅದನ್ನ ಪ್ರಸ್ತುತ ಪಡಿಸಿದ್ಲು. ಶುದ್ಧ ಒಡಿಸಿ ನೃತ್ಯ ಕೃತಿ ಇದು. ಸೂರ್ಯ ಅಸ್ತಂಗಮಿಸುವ ಹೊತ್ತನ್ನು ದೈವಿಕವಾಗಿ ಅದನ್ನ ದೈವಿಕಗೊಳಿಸೋಳು ಸಂಧ್ಯಾದೇವಿ. ಆ ಸಂಧ್ಯಾದೇವಿಗೆ ಅನೇಕರು ಸಂಧ್ಯಾ ವಂದನೆ ಸಂಜೆನೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆನೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಸಂಜೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅವಳ ರಂಗೇ ಬೇರೆ. ಆ ಒಂದು ಇವಳು ಶಾಂತಿ ದೂತೆ, ಜ್ಞಾನ, ಸಹನೆ, ಉತ್ತಮ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ನೀಡುವಂತ ಭಕ್ತ ಅಥವಾ ಭಕ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಡ್ಕೋತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಬೇರೆ ಅವಳ ಒಂದು ಪರಕಾಯ ಪ್ರವೇಶ ಮಾಡಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಸಂಹಿತಾ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಕಣ್ಮನ ತುಂಬು ಹಾಗೆ ನರ್ತಿಸಿದ್ಲು. ಆ ಸಂಧ್ಯಾದೇವಿಯ ಸೌಂದರ್ಯ, ಶಕ್ತಿ, ಕರುಣೆ, ದೈವಿಕತೆಯನ್ನು ಅವಳು ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಪ್ರತಿಪಾದಿಸ್ಲು. ಜೀವನದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗೆಲುವು ಸಾಧನೆಗಳ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದನ ನೀಡೋ ಸಂಧ್ಯಾದೇವಿಯನ್ನ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಪ್ರತಿಪಾದಿಸಿದ್ಲು, ಅಭಿವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಸಿದ್ಲು. ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ನೋಡಿದೀರಾ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕಾಲಭೈರವನ ಸ್ತುತಿ ಅನಂತರ ಮಾಡಲು ಕಾಲಭೈರವ ಅಷ್ಟಕದಿಂದ ಇದನ್ನ ಆರಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಇದನ್ನ ಸೋನಿಯಾ ಪ್ರಸ್ತುತಪಡಿಸಿದ್ಲು. ಇವರು ನೃತ್ಯ ಭಾಗದಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಸೈ, ಅಭಿನಯದಲ್ಲೂ ಸೈ. ನಾನು ರಂಗದ ಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡಿದೀನಿ. ಆ ಕಾಲಭೈರವನ ವರ್ಣನೆಯನ್ನ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ತಲೆಯಿಂದ ಕಾಲ್ವರೆಗೂನು ಬಿಡಿ ಬಿಡಿ ಬಿಡಿಯಾಗಿ ಸೂಕ್ಷ್ಮವಾದ ವಿವರಗಳಿಂದ ಅದನ್ನ ಚಿತ್ರಿಸೋ ಪರಿ ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಹಿಡಿಸ್ತು. ಅವಳು ಆ ತಲೆ ಮೇಲೆಯ ಆ ಗಂಗೆಯ ಜಾಗದಿಂದ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹಣೆಯ ಮೇಲಿರುವ ಚಂದಿರ, ಇದು ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಆ ಒಂದು ಪವಿತ್ರವಾದಂತ ಪರಿಣಾಮವನ್ನ ನಮಗೂ ತಂದ್ಕೊಡು, ನನ್ ಮೇಲೂ ವರ್ಗಾಯಿಸು, ನಿನ್ನ ಕೃಪಾದೃಷ್ಟಿ ಇರಲಿ, ನಿನ್ನ ಕರುಣೆ ಸಾಗರ ನಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ ಹರಿಲಿ ಅಂತ ತುಂಬಾ ಭಕ್ತಿ ತಾದಾತ್ಮ್ಯತೆಯಿಂದ ಆ ಕಾಲಭೈರವನಲ್ಲಿ, ಕಾಲಭೈರವ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಶಿವನ ಒಂದು ಜಂಗಮ ರೂಪ, ಶಿವ ಅಂತಾನೆ ನಾವು ಪರಿಭಾವಿಸ್ಬೋದು. ಅವನ ಒಂದು ಜಂಗಮ ರೂಪ, ಅವನ ಚಿತ್ರಣವನ್ನ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಕಡೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ನೋಡಿದ ಹಾಗೆ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಒಡಿಸ್ಸಿಯ ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರೀಯ ಚೌಕಟ್ಟಿನೊಳಗೆ ಇವರು ಏನೇನು ಯಾವ ವ್ಯಾಕರಣವನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಬೇಸರ ತರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಆಕರ್ಷಕವಾಗಿ ಅದು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಮನಮುಟ್ಟುವ ಶೈಲಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮನೋಹರವಾಗಿ ಮಾನಸಿಯವರು ಹೆಣೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದು ಇವರ ಒಂದು ಪರಂಪರೆಯನ್ನ ನಾನು ಈ 10 ವರ್ಷಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಗಮನಿಸ್ತಾ ಬಂದಂಗೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಪ್ರಯೋಗದ ಕಡೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಒಲವು. ಪುಸ್ತಕಗಳನ್ನ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಅಧ್ಯಯನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಒಂದೇ ತರ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅವರು ನಾವು ಪ್ರತಿದಿನ ಈ ಒಡಿಸ್ಸಿಯ ಶೈಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಬದಲಾಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಆ ಕಾಲದ ಹರಿವಿನ ಜೊತೆ ಅವರೂ ಕೂಡ ಸಾಗ್ತಾ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊಸ ವಿಷಯಗಳನ್ನ ಆರಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅಳವಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಮಾಡೋರ್ಗೂ ಕೂಡ ತುಂಬಾ ಆಸಕ್ತಿ ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ, ನೋಡೋರ್ಗೂ ಬಹಳ ಕುತೂಹಲ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಒಂದು ವೈಶಿಷ್ಟ್ಯ, ಅಸ್ಮಿತೆಯನ್ನ ನಾನು ಮಾನಸಿಯವರಲ್ಲಿ ಗುರುತಿಸಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ನೋಡಿ ಮಾಡಿರೋ ಕೃತಿಗಳಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ 5 ಬಗೆಯ ಕೃತಿಗಳು ಕೂಡ ತುಂಬಾ ವೈವಿಧ್ಯಪೂರ್ಣವಾಗಿ ಮನರಂಜಕವಾಗೂ ಇತ್ತು. ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರೀಯ ಚೌಕಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಅರಳಿದಂತ ಸುಂದರ ಚಿತ್ರಣವನ್ನ ಅವು ಕೊಡ್ತು ನಮ್ಗೆ. ಕಡೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಜ್ಞಾನಸಾಗರ, ಗುಣಸಾಗರ, ಶಕ್ತಿಶಾಲಿ, ಅಪಾರ ಧೈರ್ಯವಂತ್ಯ ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಕೇತವಾದಂತ ಪ್ರತಿಮೆಯಾದಂತ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಕ್ತಿಶಾಲಿಯಾದ ಹನುಮಂತನನ್ನು ಕುರಿತು ಹನುಮಂತ ಚಾಲೀಸವನ್ನ ಅಂತಿಮ ಹಂತದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಇಬ್ಬರೂ ಕೂಡ, ಸಂಹಿತಾ ಮತ್ತು ಸೋನಿಯಾ ಇಬ್ರು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಗೊತ್ತೇ ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಬ್ರು ಜೊತೆಲೆ ನರ್ತಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದಾರೇನೋ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ರೀತಿಯ ಅವಿನಾಭಾವ ಸಂಬಂಧವನ್ನ ಅವರು ಪ್ರಕಟಪಡಿಸಿದ್ರು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಎಷ್ಟು ತರಬೇತಿ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈಗ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲೋ ಇದೀವಿ. ನಾವು 5 ಜನ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ಇದೀವಿ. ದೂರದ ಬರೋಡದೊಳಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಮಾನಸಿಯವರು, ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೀವಿ. ಅದು ಇವಾಗ ಕರೋನಾ ಪ್ರಯುಕ್ತ ಯಾರು ಒಬ್ರನ್ನೊಬ್ರು ನೋಡೋ ಹಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಏನು ಸಂಪರ್ಕ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದು ಅಚ್ಚುಕಟ್ಟಾದ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರು ಪರಿಶ್ರಮ ಹಾಕಿದಾರಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದು ರೂಪರೇಷೆಯನ್ನ ಹಾಕಿದಾರಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಶ್ಲಾಘನೀಯ. ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಹೊಗಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಖಂಡಿತ ಇಂಥ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳನ್ನ ಇವರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ಲಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಈ ಒಡಿಸ್ಸಿದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಒಂದು ಸ್ಪೆಷಾಲಿಟಿ ವೈಶಿಷ್ಟ್ಯ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಮೃದುವಾದ ಚಲನೆಗಳು, ತ್ರಿಭಂಗ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಲಾಸ್ಯ ಪ್ರಧಾನವಾದ್ರಿಂದ ತ್ರಿಭಂಗಿ, ಲಾಸ್ಯ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಪಾದಭೇದಗಳ ಒಂದು ರಮ್ಯತೆಯನ್ನ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಶಿಲ್ಪ ಸದೃಶವಾದ ಭಂಗಿಗಳನ್ನ ನಾವು ಗಮನಿಸಿದ್ವಿ. ಇನ್ನು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕೃತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅವಕಾಶ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಭಕ್ತಿ ಕೃತಿಗಳಾದ್ರಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ ಕಾಲಭೈರವನ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ವೀರಾವೇಶವಾದಂತ ರಭಸವಾದ ನಾವು ಆಂಗಿಗಳನ್ನ ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಮಂಡಿ ಅಡವುಗಳು ವಿಶಿಷ್ಟವಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಮಂಡಿ ಅಡವುಗಳು ಸೋನಿಯಾ ಮತ್ತು ಸಂಹಿತಾ ಇಬ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಮಂಡಿ ಅಡವುಗಳನ್ನ ತುಂಬಾ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಒಂದು ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಆವರಣ ಆದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ಬೃಹತ್ ವೇದಿಕೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಹಳ ಒಂದು ಇದೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಮನದುಂಬಿ ಅದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಒಂದು ಪಾದಾರ್ಪಣೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಹೊಸ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಯೋಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಪಾದಾರ್ಪಣೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರ ದ್ರವೀಕೃತ ಆ ತೋಳುಗಳ ಒಂದು ಚಲನೆ, ಇದು ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿ ನಾಜೂಕು, ಲಾಸ್ಯ, ದ್ರವೀಕೃತ ಒಂದು ಚಲನೆಗಳು ಇದೇನೆ ಇದ್ರ ಸ್ಪೆಷಾಲಿಟಿ. ಒಡಿಸ್ಸಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮನಮೋಹಕವಾದ ರಮ್ಯತೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನಸ್ಸನ್ನ ಯಾಕೆ ಆವರಿಸುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ರೀತಿಯ ಮೃದುತ್ವ ಇದೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹೇಳೋದನ್ನ ನವಿರಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ನಾಜೂಕಾಗಿ ಅವರು ಅದನ್ನ ಅಭಿನಯಿಸಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಆವರ್ತಗಳು, ಅರೆ ಆವರ್ತಗಳು, ಅವ್ರ ದೇಹ ಚಲನೆಯನ್ನ ಈ ಹಿಂದೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೀಗೆ ತಿರುಗೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನೋಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಸುಮನೋಹರವಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಂಥ ಒಂದು ವಿಶಿಷ್ಟ ಶೈಲಿಯನ್ನೇ ಇವರು ಆರಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ತರಬೇತಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಇಷ್ಟು ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಸರಣ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದಾರಲ್ಲ, ಬಹಳ ಸಂತೋಷವಾದಂತ ವಿಚಾರ. ಮಂದಸ್ಥರ ಕೂಡ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಂದವಾಗಿ ಚಲನೆ ಮಾಡೋದು ಕೂಡ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ವೈಶಿಷ್ಟ್ಯ. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾನು ತುಂಬಾ ಹೃದಯ ತುಂಬಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಬಹಳ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಪ್ರಯೋಗ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಜನಗಳು ನೋಡಿ ಸಂತೋಷ ಪಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅನ್ಕೋತೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರತಿ ಸಲ ನಾನು ವೇದಿಕೆಗೆ ರಂಗಮಂದಿರಗಳಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ನೃತ್ಯವನ್ನ ನೋಡುವಂತ ಒಂದು ಅವಕಾಶ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅವಾಗವಾಗ ನಾನು ತುಂಬಾ ನೃತ್ಯ ವಿಮರ್ಶೆಗಳನ್ನ ಬರೆದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಪೇಪರ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ. ಮತ್ತೆ ನಂದೇ ಆದ ಸಂಧ್ಯಾ ಪತ್ರಿಕೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಅನವರತವಾಗಿ ಅನೇಕ ನೃತ್ಯ ಕಲಾವಿದೆಯರಿಗೆ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಪ್ರತಿದಿನ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಲೇಖನವನ್ನ ಬರಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ನೃತ್ಯ ಕಲಾವಿದೆಯರು ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಇದೊಂದು ಅಪೂರ್ವವಾದಂತ ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾರತೀಯ ಸನಾತನ ಪರಂಪರೆಯನ್ನ ಕಾಪಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬಂದಿರುವಂತ ದೈವಿಕ ಕಲೆ. ಈ ದೈವಿಕ ಕಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಶ್ರಮಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದಾರಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೃತ್ಯ ಕಲಾವಿದರಿಗೂ ನಾನು ಒಂದು ನಮನಗಳನ್ನ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಬಹಳ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ, ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಹವ್ಯಾಸವನ್ನ ಅವ್ರು ಆರಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮನಸ್ಸು ಪ್ರಶಾಂತವಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಅವ್ರು ಮಾಡೋ ಕೆಲಸಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ತಾಳ್ಮೆಯನ್ನ, ಅದು ತಾಳ್ಮೆಯ ಒಂದು ತಳಹದಿಯನ್ನ ಹಾಕತ್ತೆ. ಅವರು ಜೀವನವನ್ನ ನೋಡುವಂತ ಒಂದು ಸೌಂದರ್ಯ ದೃಷ್ಟಿಯನ್ನ ರೂಪಿಸತ್ತೆ. ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಪರಿಣಾಮ ಅಸ್ಮಿತೆಗಳನ್ನ ಉಳ್ಳಂತ ಈ ಭಾರತೀಯ ನೃತ್ಯ ಶೈಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಶೈಲಿಗಳು ಕೂಡ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಕಾರಗಳು ಕೂಡ ವಿವಿಧ ಬಗೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮನರಂಜನೆ ನೀಡುತ್ತೆ. ಇಂಥ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮನ ಏರ್ಪಡಿಸಿದಕ್ಕೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಂಥ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಏರ್ಪಡಿಸಿ ಪಾಪ ಕರೋನಾದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆರೆಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂಧಿತರಾಗಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಅನೇಕ ಕ್ರಿಯಾತ್ಮಕ ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆಗಳಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ದಂಡ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಾರ್ದು. ಅನೇಕರು ಈಗ ಕತೆ ಬರೆಯೋರು ಕತೆ ಬರೀತಾರೆ, ನಾಟಕ ಮಾಡೋದು ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹೋಗಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಆದ್ರೆ ನೃತ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೊಂದು ಹೊಸ ತಂತ್ರಜ್ಞಾನದ ಸೌಲಭ್ಯದಿಂದ ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಬಹಳ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಪ್ರಯೋಜನ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಸದುಪಯೋಗ ಪಡಿಸ್ಕೊತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಪ್ರತಿನಿತ್ಯ ನಮ್ಮ ನೃತ್ಯ ಕಲಾವಿದರು ಇದನ್ನ ಸದುಪಯೋಗ ಪಡಿಸ್ಕೊತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ತಾವು ನಿಷ್ಕ್ರಿಯರಲ್ಲ. ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಗೋಡೆ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ನಾವು ವ್ಯರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಮ್ ಕಾಲದಂಡ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಹೊಸ ನೃತ್ಯ ಸಂಯೋಜನೆಯನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ, ಹೊಸ ಕೃತಿಗಳನ್ನ ಕಲಿತಾ, ಒಂದು ಸ್ಕೈಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಅವರು ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ತಾವು ತರಬೇತಿಯನ್ನ ನೀಡ್ತಾ ಗುರು ಶಿಷ್ಯ ಒಂದು ಆ ಸಂಬಂಧವನ್ನ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕಾಪಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದು ಶಾಶ್ವತವಾಗಿ ಇಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಸಂಬಂಧ ಕಾಪಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ಲಿ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಈ ನೃತ್ಯ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಮನರಂಜನೆ ಆಗ್ಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ಮನರಂಜನೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಕಾಮನ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ಗೆ ಮನರಂಜನೆ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಆ ಮಾಡೋರ್ಗಾಗ್ಲಿ ಕಲ್ಸೋರ್ಗಾಗ್ಲಿ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತ ಹೊಸ ಹೊಸ ಒಳ ಸುಳಿಗಳನ್ನ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ, ಮಜಲುಗಳನ್ನ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ನಾವ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಂಶೋಧನೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಕಲಿಸ್ತೀವಿ, ನಾವೆಷ್ಟು ಕಲಿತೀವಿ ಅನ್ನೋ ಇಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ ಒಂದು ಧನ್ಯತಾ ಭಾವ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆದ್ರಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಒಳ್ಳೇದಾಗ್ಲಿ. ಎಲ್ಲ ನೃತ್ಯ ಕಲಾವಿದರು ಕೂಡ ಸದಾ ಚೈತನ್ಯದ ಚಿಲುಮೆಯಾಗಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳನ್ನ ನೀಡ್ತಾ ರಸಿಕರನ್ನ ರಂಜಿಸ್ಲಿ. ತಾವು ತುಂಬಾ ಸುಖ ಸಂತೋಷ ಸಮೃದ್ಧಿಯಿಂದ ಜೀವನವನ್ನ ನಡೆಸ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಪ್ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದ ಮಾಡಿ, ಪ್ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ಹಾರೈಸಿ, ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಕೋರಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಿ ನನ್ನ ಮಾತನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
Really, from the bottom of our hearts, Sandhya Sharma ma'am, thank you so much. It is wonderful to have such a strong and powerful message that you have given to all of us. It's wonderful. We are all very thankful to you about this. And ma'am has given a very strong message that as we are all observing, wonderful things can be done with technology. We are all artists. We should keep up in the times of uncertainty to come together and do a good work. I'm truly humbled and blessed to have a wonderful senior person like Sandhya Sharma ma'am give her comments, and most importantly spend so much time with all of us here today and encouraging the young dancers, also encouraging me also, all of us over here. And I thank the viewers also that they are all also connected with us. I thank Dr. Guru Sharat Pandya also for being with us. Both the guests have spent so much time with all of us. I think these are strong people who can be the catalyst to keep encouraging us. Nothing can be better than that. And Sandhya Sharma ma'am also, she's doing a wonderful work. I request all the viewers to specially visit sandhyapatrike.com. It is also available online. It is there in the soft copy, digital copy. It has kept the subscriptions also open. Do like and share, and I want that all our dance community members, not just in Karnataka, but even from outside Karnataka. Some of my viewers are also from outside Karnataka. I request everybody to subscribe to sandhyapatrike.com. Ma'am is doing a wonderful work. She's a renowned critic. We should all not miss her reports and her reviews, and we should all subscribe to that. Thank you once again, all the viewers. Over to Samhita and Sonia for their final words. Samhita, Sonia, we have a total of 6 minutes remaining. I pass on to you for your final words. Samhita, first you.
Thank you, ma'am. I fall short of words, and a thank you is a very small word, and there are very special instances that I want to share with you on the note of conveying my gratitude and my thanks to Mansi ma'am. Special thanks to Sandhya ma'am and Guru Sharat Pandya sir, who have been present and who've given all their time, their encouragement, and then their support. And virtually, though present, it almost feels like they are with us as our backbones. Guru Sharat Pandya sir, he's seen us since the time we began our journey in learning dance. And I must say, he's a wonderful, a beautiful person who's forever constantly supported us in many aspects, who's given us very good feedback each time, and who's helped us improve over a period of time. Thank you, Guruji, for being there for us, and who's always been a support for us all the time. Your presence meant a lot to us. Thank you for being present today, for your time. And Sandhya ma'am, there's not a single program that she's ever missed of ours. Though if she has ever not come for a program, she makes it a point to congratulate us and talk to us. And she's always there behind us as our backbone, as our support. And thank you, Sandhya ma'am, for being there today, for your time, for your presence, and all the wonderful encouraging words you gave us. They indeed mean a lot to artists like us who forever have to improve, and art is never stagnant. And remarks from people like you yourself being an artist, remarks from people like you, they mean a lot to us. It's so beautiful that you observe every technical aspect of what we do and give us feedback on the same. That is going to help us improve a lot, and also make sure that we maintain the consistency of all the positive notes you give us. Thank you, Sandhya ma'am. And one very special thing that I want to really share about today's program is that all these items that we presented today, myself and Sonia, they were all conceptualized and choreographed way back when we had begun our journey in ODC. So the kind of corrections, the technical details, the stories that we've heard from ma'am, they're innumerable. I think she spent a lot of time to be able to come up with these choreographies and translate them and give us that knowledge. Thank you so much, ma'am. These choreographies, they're not just given us knowledge of dance, but the traditional stories behind them, the technical aspects, the aspects of music, the aspects of rhythm. And one very special thing that I want to share, especially with the choreography of Abhayankar Shivaraksha Stotra, I remembered how back then when she just began the choreography and then she was carrying, she was going to be a mother and she was in Baroda and she taught us this item through Skype. And back then it was not very common that classes would happen online. And she taught us the entire choreography of Abhayankar Shivaraksha Stotra on Skype. And to make us understand those postures, she would draw those illustrations, such beautiful illustrations. I still remember them. She would draw those illustrations and say, okay, here is where Sonia has to stand. This is the pose she has to do. And this is what Samita has to do. I remember them so vividly well. And that journey is very emotional and very special to me. Thank you so much, ma'am. I'm sure a lot of hard work goes behind what you see for just a little while when we are dancing is maybe just 0.1% of the entire journey of choreographing them, doing a lot of research work, and what you have as a thought process in your mind as a choreography is something that you can do on yourself. But to translate them and teach them to your disciples according to their ways of doing is a very special thing. So thank you so much, ma'am, for this wonderful opportunity. And I'm very happy that this time has given me, I mean, I got a lot of time during this time to be able to revive all these items and present it in such a special way. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Samita. Thank you so much for your words. And over to Sonia. We have 4 minutes remaining.
Yes, ma'am. So I'm very happy to perform my Guru's beautiful choreographies today, and I'm very proud about it. So it has gone through a lot of hard work and lot of time to teach us and to bring us to this level of performing these beautiful items in front of you. And doing this virtual and going online, being in different places, it's really not simple. Thank you so much, ma'am, for giving us these opportunities for presenting your choreographies. And I would like to thank Guru Shri Sharad Pandya sir and Srimati Sandhya Sharma ma'am to be present today and for witnessing our program. We are very lucky, and where it's not a simple program, it's just not one another program. It is very formal, and your presence made a lot of difference. And thank you so much for your reviews on our programs. And I would like to thank today's volunteer, Soumya Logan, for being present today. And I would like to thank all the viewers of today for patiently sitting and watching us and watching these beautiful choreographies of us and encouraging us. Thank you.
Thank you, all you viewers. Art is incomplete without the Rasikas, the Kala Rasikas, and also all those people who watched and shared such wonderful comments. Thank you so much. They are really going to help us in many ways. And we definitely look forward to coming live in front of you again. Thank you, ma'am, again for this wonderful opportunity. And Sonia for all the support. I had a lovely time presenting with you. Thank you, Sonia. And
thank you, Samita.
Thank you, everybody. Once again, I thank all the viewers. Please do comment, and we wish that Sonia and Samhita, they do a wonderful job in their journey ahead. There are a lot of beautiful awards that they have bagged and a lot of beautiful things that they have done. I'll be very shortly sharing their biodatas and their profiles and their photographs very soon on the same page so that you can know more about them. And I thank the two wonderful guests today, Dr. Guru Sharad Pandya and Srimati Sandhya Sharma ma'am, for being with us. And all the viewers, thank you so much. I also thank Raghunandan, my husband, artist. He is also supporting us through the technical guidance before this show started. So thanks to Raghunandan also for all the artistic and the technical support. And I thank all the viewers for the beautiful things that they have done by staying tuned for this much long duration. Thank you once again. Please stay at home as much as possible and stay safe. Good night. Namaskar.